So it's the wax benefits without going through that pain. You get what I'm saying? It's like having the benefits of that beautiful wax job, but just not going through that horrific pain. Don't nobody have time for all that. Hey guys, welcome. It's your girl Krystal Nykole, and so in today's video I wanted to talk about how to get that waxed feel without waxing. Nobody likes the pain of waxing. Like, I tried it once on, and I actually had my son actually like peel the strips off my leg because that hurts so bad, and I'm just like, I want the wax feel, but I do not want to go through that pain. And I'm sure it's a lot of you guys out there that can actually relate to that. So I tried out something on my hoo-ha in the vagina area because, you know, everybody wants that all clean and, you know, spiffy, you know. She wants to talk in the video, and that is not acceptable. But yeah, so everybody wants that great feeling down there, that smooth baby skin like feeling, you know what I'm saying? So I came up with a solution for that. So for me, I use some products that I've mentioned in my favorites video, I believe. Yeah, so I mentioned these products in my favorites video, and I've been loving them ever since. So first things first, you want to make sure that you exfoliate the area down there, you know, scrub it really good, you know, get it nice and ready and prepared, because preparation is key. You don't want any razor bumps, you don't want... Really pains. She would not let me record this video. Yeah, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you exfoliate the area really good. You know, use whatever scrub that you use down there. You know, make sure you do it in the shower with hot water. That way it can open up those follicles, and we can reduce the incident of razor burn and ingrown hairs, right? So once we have that out of the way, what we're going to do is we're going to get our Tree Hut Bare Moisturizing Shave Oil. And like I said, I've mentioned this in my favorites video, and I love it. It's a gel-like consistency. So this product right here, it gets you a very, very, very close shave. Like, this is amazing. I got this from Ulta, and so of course you can use it under your arms, you can use it on your arms, your legs, anywhere. But this right here is very different from your average shaving cream for women. Like I said, it's an oil type, and it is it's very soothing. It's very soothing to the skin. So what you would do is you would take this on your damp skin. You will take a razor. I prefer a men's razor because it does, it gets very, very close. But you can use a woman's razor, or whatever razor you choose to use, you can use it. So you'll put this on your private area, just on the surface first. We're going to start on the surface first. And then we're going to take our razor, and we're going to shave in the direction our hairs grow. Be it downward, to the side, up, whatever. We're going to shave in the direction that your hairs grow, and this will get you that very, very smooth, close shave. Like, that will get you that close shave. We're going to go in with, we're going to finish our shower, do all that stuff, rinse off completely, right? So we get out of the shower, and then we're going to take our 10 skin solution, and you're going to take this and you're going to apply it on a cotton ball. And you're going to apply this to the area in which you just shaved. This right here will prevent the razor bumps. This will prevent ingrown hairs. Like, this stuff is so good, and I got this from Ulta as well. And it prevents ingrown hairs, razor bumps during shaving and waxing, and it's for both men and women. So men can also do this as well. But this right here, you will apply it, and make sure, and it tells you on the bottle that your skin has to be completely dry before applying this. I'm not sure what happens if your skin is not completely dry, because I didn't try it without my skin being completely dry. But It tells you that for a reason, so I would definitely make sure that I follow those directions and just let it air dry or whatever, right? We're going to then go in with the Tree Hut Bare Post Shaving Soothing Mist, and this smells so good. Yeah, your hoo-ha will be smelling like berries. It smells really good. And I will just, after the skin dries or whatever, I'll just go in and spray this on my area, on the top now, on my area, and I will just like kind of massage it in, you know, work it in really well, you know, all that good stuff. We will let this dry, and this right here helps relieve itchy skin and also prevents ingrown hair. All right, so once we've gotten all the shaving and all the moisture, well, ingrown hair prevention stuff taken care of, we will then move to Aftercare. Now, Aftercare is very important because once your hair starts to grow back, it can become very itchy and a little irritable, and you know, we don't want that, right? So once we let everything dry from the products that I've just mentioned, we're going to go in with some cortisone cream. And this cortisone cream is temporary relief of itching associated with minor skin irritations, inflammation, rashes, you know, blah, 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 blah. So I would then go in and apply a thin layer or two of this product right on top of the area or where I've shaved my bikini line. Anywhere I've shaved down there, I will go in and I will apply this to that area. And to add moisture back into the area, because you want to keep it moisturized, of course, like ours is just like our regular skin face, we have to keep everything moisturized. I will go in with my Lily of the Desert 99% aloe vera jelly, and it's a soothing moisturizer, and I live by this. Like, I use it on my face, like when I'm washing my face, and sometimes my products, they may dry out my skin or something like that, and I would use this with like my almond oil or something to just add that moisture back into my skin. And this right here is amazing. I think I got this from GNC, but I'm sure you can get it at like Whole Foods or somewhere like that. But this stuff right here is amazing. This stuff is amazing. And with these two products right here, it will really help and keep down that itching and the irritation, you know, and the dry skin. Like, you don't want any of that down there. Like, you don't want any of that at all. So, and that's it. That's what I use personally, and I've tried this for over a month or two now. Going on 2 months, actually. Going on 2 months, I've tried this, and it works wonders. Like, your skin down here, your vagina, it's like a baby's bottom. Like, it's so smooth and silky and just, so it's the wax benefits without going through that pain. You get what I'm saying? It's like having the benefits of that beautiful wax job, but just not going through that horrific pain. Don't nobody have time for all that. Now, you will have to do this a little bit more often than you would having to wax, of course. But hey, like, this is an alternative for those who just cannot wax. I just cannot wax, but I like my stuff to be smooth. You feel me? So yeah, this right here is my tip and my trick to getting that wax feel without actually waxing. And also, I wanted to mention as well, with the cortisone cream and the aloe vera gel, I use this every time I get out of the shower, because you know, once you shower and you go and dry off, your skin is dry down there. So I just go in with these two every time I get out of the shower, every night, every morning, and this has really, really helped. And when my hair starts to grow back, of course, then I proceed with the steps that I mentioned earlier in this video. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed these tips, and if you try them, leave me a comment down below and let me know how it worked out for you. Until next time, guys, I love you so much, and see you in my future video. Mwah. Bye.